Okay, guys. Now you have to watch Mario Unboxing 1 from before you watch the second one. So let's do it. Opened it. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we got the Woody. He doesn't have a hat, but he's like, oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna check what's inside here. It's okay. Sonic Generations Collector's Edition, which is not a real thing. Okay, let me check what's inside here. Real book. Oh my gosh. It's a big screen blockbusters. Over 100 stickers? Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh, I remember I bought a Roblox toy. Are these it? We might find out. Oh, Captain America, my favorite. And let me see. Oh, a ring and a fidget spinner. What else is in here? Nothing's here. So, I think let's check what's inside this. I can't do it. Hold the camera and open it. So I'm just gonna do that. John Cena!